Welcome everybody. Let's start the session, and it's dark again. I have to put on the lights. It's getting darker and darker and cloudier outside, so I do need some lights to be turned on. Anyway, HRCO, welcome. All right, let me turn this on just a second. All right, much better. Trader Monk, welcome. Nice to see you. It was like, all right. So we did go down to a little bit of a sell side after the London session, and it seems like that I think the Asia high would be the draw on liquidity. Honestly, that's what I think. Dario, hello. Red, good afternoon. Good to see you. So I think that's where we're going, to Asia high. That's where this train wants to go, to be honest, is what I think. So, gonna be interesting, that's for sure. We have 1 minute until market open. I might going to try to, I have some Apex evaluations. I might try to do something here. Maybe try to go long on these evals at the open. We'll see. That's gonna be interesting. Holy Grail, hello. Anyway, 30 seconds. Actually less, 25 seconds now. So get ready, everyone. This is gonna be interesting. This is gonna be interesting. But anyway, let's see the market open right now. All right. Bit of a spike down. Let's see. $49 is the Asia high, right? Yeah, up there at 49. I entered the long position on the evaluation account, trying to go to 243 on one of these evals. If it gets there, let me show you, if I can show you. Where is it? No, it's not here. It's not here. Where's the NQ? Okay, this is the eval. I might going to blow this one, but target would be somewhere up at Asia highs. So we'll see. 5 mini. It's all right. I already made an evaluation. I mean, already made a new funded before the stream, so it's fine. Uh-oh, it might gonna go down. Might going to go down. This doesn't look good. Yep, unfortunately. Bit of a sweep here of liquidity. Almost done. This account is almost done. Going to wait for the next opportunity after this. Looking the 5 minute, everything still looks bullish, by the way. But if we keep on dropping, there's a sell side at 67 that might be interesting to go for. You know, who knows? If it keeps dropping. And it's gone. Yeah. All right, so it keeps on dropping. There is a level 67 maybe. I don't know if it wants to go there or not. It has to go below the 70s. If it's not gonna go there, let me see. Is it gonna go or not? Hey Akram, what's going on? Good to see you. All right, a possible reversal here. Maybe. You know, try to take the Asia highs there. Maybe. But who knows? I'm looking for some sort of a level. It didn't manage to go through, which level was that? 28. And entered the long position at 98. I don't really want to waste more evals here. So here's one more for the stream. Otherwise, I already made one. It's not doing anything. Okay, if I fail this one, I'm not YOLOing more accounts. At least it's 1 out of 3, so I'm fine with it. Let's go. Not sure if it's ready to go yet. It's a tricky move, in my opinion. Not sure. Not sure. Not really sure. Oh, come on, push it. All right, it did. Okay, so how we're doing? All right, it made it. So 2 out of 3. 2 more funded accounts. Let me see. 1, 2. All right, 2 funded accounts. Nice. Nice. One blown, but it's okay. GG. Yeah. Okay, so now let's concentrate on things that really matter. You know, I think this one wants to go to the Asia highs anyway. So I'm just going to be real careful here. And I'm trying to look. If this one wants to make that. What was the high here, actually? I don't even know. The Asia high. This one. Let me put... No, that's not it. There was... Oh, here. The 49. Yeah. I'm mixing up the levels. I just tried to put this on the mini. Okay. So anyway, let's see what it does. Let's wait a little bit, you know. If it's not going to take the Asia highs, that's fine too. But then we might see a possible reprice all the way down to the 15 area, and that might give us even a better opportunity. Who knows, right? Let's see what it does. Seems like it's getting, it's tired. Oh yeah, it's gonna go down, I think. Maybe not. It might needs to reprice lower. Not sure. I'm looking for short after taking Asia high. Yeah, that could be a good. I think I'm gonna look for that too. That could be a good strategy. You know, I might gonna do the same. So anyway, let's wait. We could be seeing some consolidation. Yeah, and I think it's gonna go down and reprice these levels, which is okay. Could be a possible or potential entry here to maybe go long, but not so sure. You know. Not so sure. Wait for it. Seems like we're stuck. All right, no problem. Let's wait. And what else do we have? I still think the drawn liquidity would be 49. But down here we have relative equal lows. So it's hard to tell. This 5-minute CB is actually turns out to be a good area. Right now it seems like a possible support area to push price higher. I don't know. It could be a trick. You know, everybody wants this one to go long, and it might just go down and take out the 81. So wait for the move. But obviously Asia highs are pretty close. Yeah, low risk, definitely. Definitely that's the key. Look at that. Just like that. It dumps lower, unable to take out the Asia high. Looking at potential areas here. Could be anything. The 15-minute candle looks like a doji. Indecision. I say this could mean anything. Technically, it shifted structure to the downside on the 1 minute. And these candles down there has these flat bottoms here. No wicks. Is it gonna go, or is it gonna take out the bottom there? It's really hard to decide. If it continues to go higher, it can go definitely higher than the 250s. I'm looking at it closely, but shifted structure, that's true. Reprice the small 1 minute gap. Doesn't really mean anything, but could be a push. No. Now it's just getting weaker again. Yeah, it took 2 trades, Akram. 2 trades. Both of them were winners, and they were good. I'm just trying to figure this one out if I should jump into a real quick trade here, but there's nothing forming right now. We have a range here currently. The previous low here didn't actually take out the next one to it to the left. So we have some equal lows down there, but I'm not sure what it might want to do. I think we might have to wait out for this move to decide which direction to go, because for now there's not much happening. No, I don't see anything. The 15-minute looks the same. Indecision. Looks like a difficult area. And PM, hey there. Starting at the view up, yeah. Francis, hey, what's up? Good to see you back. Best scenario is to take Asia high. Yeah, that would be a good target. So I like the idea to go for the Asia high. The only thing that bothers me is this candle down there. If it doesn't really want to start to go upside without, you know, sweeping some levels here, because if you look at the lows here and this one, it actually didn't take this one out from earlier. So that was after 7 a.m. and there are some liquidity levels still, but I like the idea to go for the Asia highs. It's just unclear yet that which is going to be the final direction. Is it going to sweep some more or what? All right, maybe trying to push it. No. We have that 5-minute gap at the middle. I mean, sorry, midnight. That's actually a midnight level right there. I'm watching it closely, but still nothing that I could go with. We are right at the middle. And we also have the first fair value gap since the open, which is we're right inside that gap. And we just don't know how is that going to, you know, act as possible support or resistance. But right now we're at the middle. It's a coin flip, you know. Yes. Oh, yeah. I checked it. 3 relative equal highs. Yeah. We have more than 20 seconds from this candle still. But I agree that the Asia highs could be a good target. Let's see. The gap is still holding it. I'm just not sure if it's going to push. You know, all the way to the top. All right, Asia highs are still there. I had no entry here. I mean, there is nothing I can use as an entry, unfortunately. And Asia high is still at 49, right? Still at 49. Not sure if this one's gonna get it, but let's wait this one out. It actually made a new high, so it can trick everybody again. Let's wait for it. Here the level is on the micro it's 49.50. On the mini, I'm not sure on the mini, but it's 49.25, I think. Anyway, I'm just gonna wait this one out. Look at that. It doesn't really want to go for it yet. Repricing this gap. Tin Man, what's up? 262. All right, let's mark it. Tin Man says 262. Let's see if it goes. Akram is saying, "Come on, Nasdaq, come on." You know. What about ES? I haven't checked on ES. ES is pushing too. There are some good levels up there. The Asia high could be still a potentially good target, I feel like. So who knows? Look at it. It doesn't really want to go. Nasdaq is playing dirty. The Asia high is there, but it just doesn't want to go for it. Strange price action for sure. All right, so what's it gonna be? Wow, so close. Getting closer, but I think it can take it out. I think so. It went for it. There you go. It did go for it. Nice. Sorry, let me read the chat. Jay, hey there. Probably an inside day, but yeah. Yeah, now that we have taken out Asia highs, now this is something that interests me much more. I'm not saying that now we're definitely going to go lower, but it is something that is definitely interesting. I'm going to follow through with this one. Bearish candle. Yeah, nice drop. Shifting structure even. Or at least trying to. Okay. A small structure shift here. I don't really trust it. Let's see if this one is going to leave a gap on the 1 minute to go short. The 5 minutes still, well, looks bullish. Okay, it's all right. Nothing. It still remains bullish. It should go higher, just a little, yeah. It can go, absolutely, because if we look to the left, there is still some levels all the way up to at least to the 280s that can be repriced. Super simple. So I don't see any reason that it definitely has to go back down. So I think it still remains bullish. But the start of the day, I mean, this AM session is definitely not so strong. Let me put some more lights here. Just a second. Actually, I have to find the I have to find the remote for the shader. Just a second, I'll be right back. All right, somewhat better. Still hovering here in this area. Is it gonna go down? I wonder. Or up? The thing that I don't really like, and I know for you guys, for maybe Akram, it's not such a good thing, but this is kind of like a bearish reversal scenario. It looks like, you know, this candle traded below the previous one. Gotta watch out for the long positions right now. But so far, this 5 minute CB from earlier, from the London session. It's still holding. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Still time to close this. I'm actually looking for a possible short position, but no. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Going down. Going down. What the heck? It technically made the market structure shift on the 1 minute. And I don't want to jinx it, but could be a change in delivery right now. 5 minutes shifting. 1 minute shifted already. Actually, the 5 minute traded lower. Yeah, it did. So the 5 minute candle looks like it's already shifting. The 15 minute is still in the range. Yeah, just, you know, have to be patient. I'm sitting on my hands is what I do. Just waiting. I'm just waiting. New 5 minute candle started. I'm gonna put a fib tool here. 50% level is around 221. $155. The risk to reward ratio is good if we want to continue lower. Let me delete this sell side. It's irrelevant now. So yeah. Market session swing high to take the low. I think you know that scenario. Yeah. And also we have this level at 82. I feel like that 82 is the next possible target. You know, at least that's what I think. Because it actually didn't take out the previous low, which was like here at 8 a.m. I'm not saying that it's going to take it out now, but you know, it's a possible scenario. Those are some flat candles down there. All right, it took it out. So what next? what's next, right? Amazing equal high sweep just happened, yeah. Oh, let's go, Sir Bernson. Congratulations. Oh, let's go. Nice. Look at that. Now it's swept these lows. Almost this one from after 7 a.m. Now this is important. Let me put a vertical line here. Come on. Vertical line here. This represents the New York kill zone start. And I feel like there's still some levels to go down there. So the 5-minute candle is going to close in less than 1 minute. And I almost sneezed. And let me put the fib tool here. Mid level of this move is 215.75 ish. All right. Let's wait. ES also went down, but it actually didn't take out the lows. I mean, it didn't really do such a big sweep on the 5-minute. It did a sweep. It's almost like a divergence with ES right now. Question is, you know, does ES going to stay above the 6,000? All right, slowly grinding back to the 5-minute fair value gap. Let me highlight it separately. I know there's a lot of stuff on my screen, but I try to make this as obvious as I can put it. So this is a 5-minute CB, and right now price is going back up there, you know. Went long 97, what? 97 contracts at 85 and sold 90, holding 7. What? With micros. Nice job. Let's go. Be careful though. So it looks like it traded through this 5-minute CB. So it traded through and it's back to the midnight area. Look at this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That 262, who was it? Tin Man. Tin Man said 262. Might gonna be the next one. Minis. 97. Oh, overall, because you're copy trading, right? 97 mini. Wow. All right, ES swept everything. That's why it might be pushing higher. What a move. What a move. Your own account. You're able to trade 97 mini contracts. Wow. What account do you have? Like $1 million or what? Dude, that's a lot. Not every broker lets you. I mean, you have to have like a couple of $100,000 for margin for 97 contracts. And you just made like $100,000 then, or at least 50. That is awesome. I passed the combine. Oh, let's go. Congratulations, Maverick. Congratulations. Let me give you an applause. Nice. And everybody who made profits. Algo line. Okay. But they let you to put 97 mini contracts. Which broker is Algoline is the brokerage, or what I mean, they let you to put 97 mini. Wow, with the brokerage. I thought that you have to have like hundreds of thousands of dollars for that amount of contracts. That's cool, man. Look at it. Now it's turning around. What is happening? All right, back to this CB. Kind of like an inversion setup. Not really my bread and butter, but oh, your account is larger. All right, all right. Nice. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Tradeify shows the algo lines. Oh, when you draw. Okay, I see, I see. If it breaks trend line, it shows the next. Awesome, man. That's some next level stuff there. I need some more lights here. That's next level stuff. I'm not exactly sure either, but I'm gonna look into that. That sounds cool. Sounds cool. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. Yeah, something like. Okay, I was suspecting some computer stuff. I mean, computer algorithm buying and selling. I just wasn't sure if there is a way to, you know, ride the wave. But at least you can. So, by the way, we are right now leaving the new day opening gap. I didn't even know that Tradeify shows this. Yeah, that's cool. That is cool. The 5-minute looks, well, let's just say it looks a bit crazy. I don't think I want to do anything here unless it's not going to break lower. So I'm just going to watch the 5-minute candles for now. In this area. If in the next 2 minutes it trades lower, I might enter a short. You know. Might gonna have to use some tighter stops here. Okay, but still, it has to trade below the previous candle. I just full ported on short term. Look at this. You did? I don't see any link because YouTube doesn't let you share screenshots or links. But you know. That is cool. The bounce stopped at the previous trend algo line, and now we are approaching the algo line again. Oh, okay. So this is something new. Like I didn't really use or traded with this information, but sounds interesting for sure. Okay, so this 5-minute candle didn't manage to trade below the previous one. Therefore, I suggest that this whole move is still bullish, or at least for now. There's no change in the delivery of price. Bearish order block here. And therefore, because we have a bearish order block pushing above Asia high, I don't trust the sells as well. It can go pretty much either way. So let's just wait this out, you know, see what happens. Oh, we hit the algo line and bounce. Nice. So this 5-minute CB is now holding. Just a second, phone call. Let's go. Okay, still going lower. It's still just going lower. We should test the 160s area. Oh, that would be interesting, you know, to go down there. There are some good possible levels, even if we check the 15 minute. Oh my god, look at the 15 minute. Terrible. But we have some nice levels. I like the 128, if it would start to drop. I do like the 128 area. That would be really, really something to see that go down. And what else? Looks like it's getting a little bit bearish. In a wedge between the two algo lines. Oh. Yeah, we're basically stuck. I don't really want to enter anything here. Obviously, I'm going to be looking on or at higher time frames too. ES seems like a bit heavy, but I feel like ES can still drop more down to the 6,000 for a retest, you know, maybe. It didn't really go down to make an actual real retest, but who knows. So far we're just stuck here. Okay, trying to push it again. I have a feeling that until we're not getting out of this range, I don't know, it seems bullish to me now. And you know, if it's bullish, then let me zoom out to the 15 minute. We can go, or we have space here. Previous day high above the 300s, so why not? We can definitely expand higher. Trying to break out from this maybe. We're still at the middle of this area. A rally to the highs, right? Well, let's see. Okay, going back into the 5-minute CB again. Yeah, the 5-minute absolutely looks garbage right now. I don't have an entry. I'm flat. I'm not in a position. Thank God for now. Interesting. Almost like a seek and destroy pattern. I mean, took some liquidity, took liquidity, now back. Not sure. Obviously, after making these new highs, there could be consolidation, you know. No real news coming in. So it should be a quiet rest of the day, you know. We're gonna wait. Don't worry. We have time. We have time. The market will show us the direction. And we will see. The more time we spend in consolidation mode, the indecision is going to be higher and higher, and then it can go anywhere, you know? So let's wait this one out. So far, the London session was better than this one. I must say that today's London session was a little bit better than this. I guess we can see more and more days like this as the Christmas holidays are approaching. Okay. Look at that. Finally, we're seeing a push. But where? Where to? Where does it go? It's slow. It's just what can I say? I don't know how about you guys, but look at that. It broke out here, and now it might go down. Who knows? The 5-minute, 15-minute, no. 1 hour. Now the 1 hour is interesting. I like these levels. You know, this candle today at the 5 a.m. 1 hour candle went down almost to the mid-level of yesterday's 1 hour candle, to the consequent encroachment level. Very interesting. got rejected, swept some highs. Kind of tells me that, you know, we can see a drop again to trade through the 127 to the downside. Oh man, oh man. Hard to decide what to do. Some nice cologne. We test the highs. Let's see. I'm curious. I hope that we'll see some nice movement there. Crypto Panda, hey there. You trading Elite Traders? I have one Elite Trader evaluation account. Yes, I have. I currently I'm not connected to it because I was working on Apex and MyFundedFutures evaluations today. But I have evaluation account. Yeah, MB Trader, hey there. So yeah, I do. Currently only one evaluation account, but you know, I have so many accounts all over the place. I really have to decide what to do. What's going on, Crypto Panda and MB Trader? Good to see you guys. I might have to buy a new earplug or earpiece, or what's it called. This old one is starting to fall apart. Yeah. Alright, I'm not gonna do anything with that. This one is falling apart. Alright. Anyway. Look at that, it's going up. As today to 3K, but they required 5 trading days to pass. Oh, there's a 5 minimum trading days. Yeah. Oh man, you can just flip it, right? I mean, I haven't really traded too much with them, but I think you should be able to go, just flipping it. 6 contracts at 19. Let's go. Could go, I guess. Ludafish Savage. Welcome. Long time no see, man. Where have you been? Where have you been? Morning, morning. All right. What is going on? I'm watching the 5-minute. It's absolute trash for now. Back to 18. Looks like it might want to sweep lower. Not sure. So far, this gap is holding. So at least we know that. And look at the previous gap from London session. So obviously we are in a high resistance area. Took most of last week off, due to election shenanigans anticipated. And then, yeah, Remembrance Day. Yeah. Oh, well, at least you had the time to recharge, relax, Time to get back to trading, right? Time to get back to trading. Oh man, this price action is just terrible. I have a feeling, my theory, and this is also a theory, that I saw this happening during the London sessions in the past couple of weeks, and also in New York sessions. So here it comes. I think most of the time, the algorithm, the market price, or whatever you want to call it. So the market is waiting most likely to the end of the quote unquote kill zone. So both in London session, as we approach the 11 a.m., that's when finally the move is happening. Also in New York session, as we approach at 11 a.m. or lunch hour, 12, and that's when we see that particular move that everybody was waiting for during the AM session. So everybody's waiting for that significant level to be broken or to be reached or whatever, swept. And it's just not happening. But then later, lunch hour, maybe PM session, that's when it happens. So actually, I see some sort of a delay, but I might be just seeing things, I don't know. Thank you, the liquidity void at 234. Oh, it did. Okay. Rejected from there. Okay. Like the consolidation between new week opening gap. Yeah, most of the day. Yeah. Due to CPI tomorrow. Exactly. Totally forgot to talk about CPI. So I think the market is already, looking for, everybody's, preparing for the big move tomorrow for CPI. And in some way that's understandable. But yeah, that's what everybody's waiting for. Man. Just sideways action. Let's wait, as we usually do. Okay, going lower. Scalping city today. It's not even good for scalping. Maybe on the 15 seconds or 30-second time frame. I don't even know. But looking for finally a move to get out from this consolidation. Oh, hold on a second. I'm coming back. All right, we're back. Sorry, had to run out to check something. Open the door. Oh my god, it's terrible. This price action is just absolutely terrible. Approaching the 11 a.m. mark. And this is just not good. Hold on a second. I have to check something. All right. Not even being good for scalping, as fuzzy as this is Wick Central. Yeah. Lollipop. Yeah. I mean, look at this. Terrible. It's absolutely terrible. You wish you could still lick it, but you know you only have regrets. Yeah, exactly. That's perfect resemblance there. Oh man. Well, what can we do, right? I mean, since the AM session, I mean, the kill zone started. Let me check. There wasn't really too much of a good price action. I mean, there was on the 5 minute. Obviously, taking out the Asia high was a good goal for the day. But right now, in this sideways action here, well, I don't know. I don't know. It's not really something that I like. Don't lick the fuzzy lollipop. I'm not planning to. This is terrible, actually. This is such a terrible price action. Yeah, nothing. There's nothing good in this one. Nothing good. Oh man. This is actually killing the nerves. I don't have any position on. Just to show you, orders, positions tab, I have nothing, absolutely flat. Back into the middle here. No, that would be like yeah, exactly. So trying to reverse or do it, no, this is not something I want to do until we're not getting out from this area. I just don't want to do anything. It makes everybody stressful, Akram. It's just the way it is. Okay. Finally, we see again a bit of a move here. Let's see. The 5-minute actually created a bearish order block, which doesn't really mean anything since we were ranging so much on the 5-minute. The 15-minute also, like, Actually, it's not even perfect one, so it's not a perfect order block. So anyway, it's just sideways movement back and forth. So oh yeah, Maverick, absolutely. So we had the move here, fine, and now Nasdaq is officially unplugged. To sell his action, yeah. It wants to go up, but ES, yeah, ES. Oh yeah, ES. Let me check on ES. Yeah, ES is slowly going lower, and I feel like it might want to continue lower down to 6,000. The 6,000 level is still a little bit of a magnet here, but as long as ES is taking the stairs down, NQ might follow, and yeah. Absolutely not ideal conditions. So the 5-minute bearish order block thingy starting to work out. I'm not in a trade. We have almost relative equal lows at 78. I think it might want to go take it out. 78-ish, yeah. 79. I think it wants it. Be careful though. Yeah, I think it wants to go for it. But just be careful. Look at this bounce again. Wow, what a bounce. It looked like it want to go. There's a small 1-minute gap that has been repriced here. But other than that, nothing. Nothing else. That 70, what's the low here? I don't even know. 79 or 8. Anyway, it actually took it out, but you know, maybe it was good for a scalp, but that's it. I had no entry here. I'm checking the 5 minute. Let me see. Yeah, the 5 minute didn't do anything. It went down, spiked down to 78.25, but that's it. You know. I'm looking for some fair value gaps, maybe quadruple vehicle lows now, but still, yeah, exactly, little fish. So it can still grind higher. I'm just not trusting the whole action here. I'm starting to think that it might be better to not take any trade in this mess. But anyway, I was surprised that the 176 has not been taken out here, but watching the 5 minute for a potential bullish recovery, but nothing. What is doing George Schwartz? Guys, that position, let me hit my TP. Swing. Oh, I see. Veto Allen. Oh man, I don't know, Jacques. It's just, I mean, good to see you, by the way. I forgot to say hello. I was looking for a short, by the way. I was looking for a short. I didn't get it. Yeah, that's George Soros, right? But there's another Hungarian guy. It's Tamás Péterfi, who is the founder of Interactive Brokers. He's one of the richest guys on the planet. Just a second. Sorry, it was just a quickie phone call. Time to say goodbye. All right, Jacques, thank you so much for dropping in. Venom, hey there, Venom. How's it going? Congrats on your trades, by the way. I saw it on Discord. I wasn't checking it. but congratulations to you guys. Bad. What does that mean? But I hope you guys made some good trades. What? They froze and I lost lots of money? What do you mean they froze? Which prop firm is it? It's a Tradeify, or which one was it? TopStep. I saw some Twitter posts and others were complaining too. But I think TopStep, you know, I wouldn't worry about it too much, Venom, because I tell you what, I think because it's a wide issue, I think they just gonna, so they're gonna make it right. They're gonna reset you guys or do something. I mean, the previous balance or something like that. Unfortunately, those profits might not gonna be there for you, but worst case scenario, they should be putting this right, the previous day balance. But it happened to TopStep. So for example, last year in 2023, they had similar issues, like in November or October, they had something like this multiple times. But it happens, you know. Should be all right. Should be no problem. And I couldn't close it. Sell, and it created reversed positions in the background which were running without showing. Wow. That's interesting. That's interesting. After the 10-minute freeze, I was down. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, Akram, Asia can still, I mean, Asia session can also provide some opportunities. Obviously, you have to be prepared for smaller movements, but many traders trade in the Asia session. Almost lost the XFA, and the support said they cannot reverse. Oh, they did for other people. That's interesting. I thought that they could do something. I heard about the TopStepX were having some issues lately, but I never used TopStepX, never ever tried it, but still with the same issue. Wow. That sucks, man. That sucks. I'm sorry to hear that, but I don't know if, I mean, I guess it's not specifically their, oh man. You'll make it back, you know. You guys are having a great group, so I think you guys will make it back, Venom. TopStepX for Forex. Well, you can trade currency futures on TopStep, but I'm not sure on TopStepX you can do it. I made huge trades. Let's go, 40R. That's why I'm saying congrats on that one. And by the way, I also have a Tradeify code for you guys if you want to check out the direct funded accounts or some cheaper evaluations. Anyway, there's the link in the chat or in the description if you want to check out Tradeify straight to funded account. You can use my code and the link, it's right there. Forgot to say it. And 12R, wow. Nice, very nice. Well guys, sadly to say this, but I think I'm gonna call it here. I just don't see any opportunity that I want to take. You know, this is a trash price action. I don't think I want to trade the lunch hour on this one. So ICT for the win. Let's go. Yeah, all right, see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to support the channel, as always, please use my codes and links. That helps me out really much. And I'll be back tomorrow in the London session. This price section was not really the one that I was looking for, but hey, this is the market. So God bless you all. See you tomorrow in London. Be safe. Tomorrow is CPI, so take care everybody. Cheers.